Amazing part 3. And we got rain. See all those rains? That's all about all these little patches of rain like that right in front of me. It's like just a centimeter. I'm in the middle of my yard. This is also really hard work. So yeah. All that's just about a centimeter of rain. So keep in mind. I'm blowing my phone because there's water on my hand. I'm gonna just hold this up in my head. I'm not even joking anymore. This is just hard to hold. Because I got a Android normal phone. Really crazy. Not a camera, just a phone. I'm trying to record. It's really hard too. Wind is strong in the field, which is crazy. This area because this is the most open spot, but it is strong. It's not hitting those hard. I'm guessing those are getting hard. They're not getting hit hard at all, though. The winds are getting stronger now. This is the strongest winds we got so far. Not what we ever gotten. The tropical storm. This one will be just as strong. Tropical storm Irma, though. It was like crazy. It was a tropical storm here when it hit here. But this is basically a hurricane hit here. Because it's getting strong. Oh, we're just in the green. There's the red spots and everything, so those are probably gonna be strongy winds. Oh my goodness, though. This is part 3. I'm not gonna say part, so I'm just gonna put it in. If I say part, I might get it wrong, so, bye. Can't hit the button. Well,